Welcome to Renopedia's Interior Banner Sales Carnival.
It's good that Renopedia gave me the RSVP to come here, and it's a very good experience for me. It's an eye-opener and something good for the future homeowners.
This event I think is fun, engaging and very well organized. I think from this event I get to know many ideas and I have a rough idea on how's the renovation packages that is on the market right now.
Yeah, I think this is a very well planned event. I see a lot of collaboration between the designers and the organizers. It's a very efficiently planned as well, so I really appreciate.
I think so far my wife had robbed me in one day. She came here and shopped everything in one go. I find they have one-stop solution. Meet many ideas. They have great ideas. I believe they have just managed to build my dream home in one go. Yeah, within 2 hours or less than 2 hours. Yeah.
Thank you, Renopedia, for inviting me here. It's a very good experience.
Thank you, Renopedia.
Thank you, Renopedia.
Thank you, Renopedia. You have been great.